Wearbot, wireless soft robot from Tsinghua University. You know you're a roboticist when playing with a Slinky leads to a scientific breakthrough. Meet Wearbot, a new soft robot from Tsinghua University that moves without wheels, legs or even sensors. Instead it turns inside out, literally using a clever trick called everting. Think of it as a spring that's constantly flipping through itself to move. Inspired by the idea of connecting two ends of a Slinky, researchers created a helical ring-shaped robot that can roll, rotate and navigate in all directions. No GPS, no cameras, just smart design and physics. Its secret, an unbalanced mass creates friction differences when the ring touches the ground, causing the robot to rotate and move towards the heavier side. It's like a controlled wobbling, but on purpose. But the best part, it doesn't get stuck. When it hits an obstacle, it just flips itself and backs off gracefully. With potential to explore underground tunnels, inspection pipes or even roll through sand, Wearbot can be a game changer in unstructured environments. So it's slinky fun but serious science. And that's your robot news update for today. Don't forget to join me for my weekly live Robot Optimised workshop if you're interested in learning more about robotics and the latest trends for business. Also make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy and I'll see you next time.